Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. The children, those who are joining now, they don't know the class timings.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Is it okay if I write in the maths notebook?
No, revision notebook. Maths. You don't have revision notebook with you?
No, ma'am.
Then write in the maths notebook.
Okay.
Ma'am, me too also.
Okay.
Ma'am, I
Uh,
also.
okay. Wait a minute.
Where is ma'am?
Ma'am is here only, Vedi. You join late. Don't search, ma'am. Where is ma'am? Yes, children, when I have started the class, there were only 7 to 10 students were there. Then I put it a message in the classroom that you need to join the class on time. Every day you create 5 students need the reminder. Priya from you, Arna Agarwal from you. I'm not expecting. Ayush, wait a minute. Let me speak. From you children, the excellent students, I'm not expecting this. Every day, Priya, I have to remind you to join on time. Arna Agarwal, Ridhan, Yash Desai is coming 1 or 2 minutes late. What is this, students? Tell me. Tell me what is this? Every day you children need the reminder. Every day you children need reminder that no, don't leave the class before the time. But this is happening every day. What should I do now, students? Tell me. I am definitely going to remove you from my class and I will post the link in the chat box. They only will give the test. Those who will present on time. I joined 10 minutes late, but early, but you children are joining after the time. What is this? This is
Ma'am,
the last warning for grade 5B students. After this, if I notice children are leaving early, coming late in the class, I know the names of the students. I will not allow them to come in my class.
ma'am, but I come on time. I came on time
But
right now.
I call your name, Ayush?
No.
Then I know the students those who have joined on time. I know the students those who have not joined on time. And those who are not joining on time, they are. You must have seen the message which I put in the classroom just now. Every day, you children need the reminders. I'm going to post the link in the chat box for your CT. And this is the last warning for grade 5B students. And today also, if you leave early before the class timings, please note that.
Ma'am, you have posted the link.
Yes, I have posted refresh your classroom. As well as I'm posting here in the chat box also. Now only these 23 students. Aryaman, leave my class. Aryaman, please leave. Sorry. Sorry, it's enough, bacha. And turn on your camera. I want to talk to you. Aryaman, turn on your camera. I want to talk to you. Aryaman, from many days I am noticing that you are coming late in my class, leaving early in my class, and you are not answering, not at all doing any efforts in my class. So what is the use of coming in maths class? What is the use? Tell me.
Renu ma'am.
Yes, Trisha.
Ma'am, we have to do Marcus done.
Yes. After completing. Tell me, Aryavan, I want to talk to you. You don't know the class timing. Every day the teacher needs to remind you what is the timing. You are 6 minutes late in my class. Call your mama. Call your mama fast.
Ma'am.
No, sorry. Many times you told me sorry.
Ma'am, last chance.
Please call your mama.
Ma'am, next time it will not happen.
My dear, please call, bacha. Please call. I want to bring in their notice also. Please call.
Ma'am, sorry, please.
No, sorry. This is the last warning.
Ma'am,
Please
if next
call.
time will happen, I will call my mother.
Please call. I want to inform her. Please call.
Ma'am, please.
No.
Sorry.
Aryaman, please, bacha. Please call.
Ma'am, last chance, please, ma'am.
If your mama is nearby with to you, please call her. I want to talk her. Don't disturb other students also. Please call her.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, please link share again. My network issues I leave.
Link is there in the classroom, Dhyan.
Ma'am, in name we have to write full name only or only Samriddhi.
I think Samriddhi is giving the CET first time. No, na? No, na, Samriddhi? You are giving, no? Every time you give the CET.
I think if it is not agree the name, that's why.
Name you can
Ma'am.
write.
Ma'am, she's at the washroom.
Before leaving the class, you need to call her. I want to talk to her. You will not leave the class without my permission today.
Ma'am,
And please go to classroom. Wait a minute. Please go to classroom, Aryaman. Aryaman, you are there now? Yeah. Go to classroom. Link is posted. You have a CET today. Start giving your CET.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Nishika?
I was asking in the C question, we have to write the answer, so it should the first letter should be capital or not.
You can write the answers in any form. It is going to be checked manually.
Okay, ma'am.
Name also, your name should be any form, any capital, small, anyway. It is going to be checked manually. Yes, there is. Yes,
I
Ayush.
was asking the same of space and all.
Yeah, you can put space, you can write anything because it is going to be checked manually. Your answers are going to
Ma'am,
be
we
checked
have to
manually.
do notebook work also.
No, don't send me the notebook work. And Vedi, remove this background. You only will face the network issue then. Kevna Ankolia, excellent joining now. Grade 5, no, the grade 5 students doesn't know their class timings or what? Kevna Ankolia, turn on your camera, bacha. Kevna, Priya, Yash.
Ma'am, I'm doing my CT.
But you were not there in my class early.
Ma'am, camera will go off in the CT.
Yeah, but she was not there in the class. She has joined the class now.
I accept. Ma'am,
Then wait. Why, my dear? You don't know the class timing?
no, ma'am, I'm not at my house.
You know that your house that is accepted. Mute yourself, others. Yes, is accepted that you not at your place, but you know the timings also, no? That what time the class starts.
Yes, ma'am, but this internet here is not that fine.
Yeah. What happened?
Yes, ma'am. What did you say?
What happened? You are saying something to me?
Yes, ma'am. I joined late because I
Okay, you do your CET. I will talk to you later. Yes, Dhyan
Ma'am, my
Dalal.
camera was off because I went in the city. And if my mic is on, my mic will also get off.
Okay. Yes, Dhyan Dalal asked.
Ma'am, in second, I don't understand the question.
Let me read the question for you. A school math club. You have not done the activity which is given on your page number 1, mouse and the cat. है ना? वो कौन से नंबर पे साथ में मिलेंगे? What you need to do in this? Same in this question also. A school math club meets after every 6th day, and EVS meets after every 4th day. So 6th day के बाद 12th day, 18th day, right? It will come after every 6 days. And EVS club, they are meeting after every 4 day. So 4th day के बाद, which will be the next day. So on which day they will meet together on the same day? कहाँ पर दोनों same मिलेंगे? This activity we have done with the cat and the mouse.
Ma'am,
Yes, Trisha.
ma'am, the
Ma'am.
F1,
F1.
yeah, ma'am, do prime factorization of 32 by factor 3 method. So we have to write the prime numbers or we have to write the factor?
Prime numbers.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
The question is find all the.
Tell me the question number.
The question number is 8.
Find all the factors of 84. 84 के factors निकालो
Till 10.
and write them.
Till
Huh?
10. Till 10 or.
No,
Normal.
factors कैसे निकालते हैं? U method से, any method से.
Okay.
These are not multiples. These are factors. Yes, I want to talk with Vivan Balchandani. Yes, he has joined again. Yes, Vivan Balchandani, can you turn on your camera, please, bacha? Yes. You know what are we doing in the class today? No, na? Because every same day it is the same problem that you are not coming on time. So it is better for you to leave the class. Leave my class, bacha. And today is the CET, which I will not accept your CET, bacha. Leave. Why you not respond in the class? If I am saying something, why you not answering, bacha? Why you not responding? Can you please tell me yes or no? Why? Why? Stable your camera, please, and sit at one place. Call your mama. Vivan Balchandani, the whole time you will waste today. Because you will not able to give the CET also. Gurnav, Dhyanchali, Anushka, Vedi, turn on your cameras, please.
Ma'am, I am doing CT.
Okay.
My also it's on. My camera will.
Vivan Balchandani, you will not leave the class today. I want to talk to your mother. You will not leave. And please go to classroom. Link is posted and give your CET. Yes, please.
Question also I didn't understand. I question.
No, ma'am, it's carrot only.
Wait, let me speak with Ayush first. Yes, Ayush.
Ma'am, F. Do prime factorization of 32 by the factor tree method.
हाँ.
So prime factorization of factor tree.
First, you
How will
do
both
the
of them
factor. Make the factor tree. Make the factor tree
Okay.
and write only the prime factors. Your prime
Okay.
factors will be your answers.
Okay, yes, got it.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes. Yes. Ask Khush
Ma'am, I
Ahuja.
don't have a multiply sign, so what I do?
You put the X sign.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I had
Yes.
asked you out that the last question I didn't understand.
Okay,
And
let
write
me
all
read.
the factors. Find the HCF and write all the factors.
Find the HCF by listing all the factors. 8 और 12 के factors लिखो और उसमें से highest factor निकालो. HCF is
Oh,
the
that
highest
way,
common.
that way. We have to
Yes.
write all the factors also.
All the factors and then find the common factor, highest common factor.
Ma'am,
Yes.
so ma'am, I have to write अगर मेरा आंसर आया 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 2
Speak in
multiply by
English.
3.
Speak in English.
If my answer is 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 2 multiply by 3, then I have to write with x, 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 that 2 multiply by x multiply by 3
If you
multiply
don't have
by 3. Or
multiply
I have
sign,
to
put
just
the X.
write 2 or 3.
No, full, all. 2 multiply by 2 multiply, whatever the prime numbers are there.
Okay.
Many questions you have done as a practice. It is in that form only. Again, facing the same difficulty also. I'm going to take your attendance also. Please tell me present or absent. Anya,
Present, ma'am.
Arna,
Present, ma'am.
Anushka, Aryaman,
Present, ma'am.
Ayush, Daksh Patel, Dhairya, Dhyan Dalal, Dhyan Chile, Ekansh, Priya,
Present, ma'am.
Gunav,
Present, ma'am.
Jahan Agarwal, Karnav,
Present, ma'am.
Khevna,
Present, ma'am.
Khush Ahuja, Lakshya, Migdad, Mohit, Rishika, Rahil, Ridan, Rudra Jajaria,
Present, ma'am.
Rudra Master, Samriddhi, Twisha, Vedi,
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Vivan Balchandani, Yash Desai.
Present. Ma'am, can I submit my CET?
Yes, please. And start writing tables in your notebook.
Okay, ma'am.
In your revision notebook, start writing tables from 12 to 15.
Ma'am, in our next class, we are starting next chapter of maths.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in this question number F, we have to send the factored method or only we have to write the then prime numbers.
Only you have to write the prime numbers.
Okay, ma'am.
Factor tree method, you solve it in the notebook. Don't send the picture, but write the prime numbers.
Ma'am,
Renu ma'am. Ma'am. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sorry, somebody was asking something.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have a
Yes,
doubt in that LCM question.
Mhm.
And then we have to write 2 multiply like this or direct answer 90, 50, 40.
No, full. Whatever you know, full. Because it will accept everything. I am going to check it manually.
So I left where I have to write 2 multiply by 2 like this.
No, direct answer. LCM, how you find the LCM? LCM कैसे निकलेगा? You need to write the LCM answer. You have learned, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you write the LCM answer.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
One
Ma'am.
by one. Dhyan Dalal, yes, speak.
Ma'am, in multiply sign, we have to take small x or the big x.
Any you can take, bacha. It will accept. I'm going to check it manually.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in question number I, find the HCF of 8 and 12 by listing all the factors. Means how many factors we can find, that much factors we have to write.
Yes, write all the factors of. Kush Ahuja, please mute your mic. Mute your mic, Kush. Samriddhi, am I audible to you? Samriddhi, you have to write all the factors of 8 and 21, right? It is 8 and 21, 8 and 12. Write all the factors of 8, write all the factors of 12 and find the HCF.
we have to write only one answer, na? Highest.
All the factors along with the HCF also, Samriddhi, it's already given there. और जो आपने पढ़ा है ना सब कुछ लिख दो. It is going to be checked by me. Google form is not going to check. I am going to check your answers. Whatever you have understood, whatever you have done, you solve it according to your choice.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in the question G, we have to only write 18 and 30's LCM, right?
There I'm tired now giving the same answers to everyone. You have to write whatever you have understood from the question. It is going to check by me. Whatever you have understood, whatever you know what you need to do with this method, solve it accordingly.
Ma'am, have you received my paper?
Yes, received. Ridhan, you need to do a lot of practice. Bacha. Ridhan is there in the class? Ridhan, you are there in the class? Ridhan, you need to do a lot of practice related with this chapter because I can see your answers. I can see many of your answers are wrong. Means you have not understood the basic concept what is behind this chapter. This is the main loss you are getting. Coming late, leaving early. ये loss होता है बच्चा. You know Ridhan now. This is the loss now because of not paying attention in the class, not asking questions in the class, coming late in the class, leaving early. That's why most of your answers are wrong.
Ma'am? Renu ma'am?
Yes, please speak, Ayush.
Ma'am, question number I, the last question. Find the HCF of 8 and 12 while listing all the factors. So we cannot use the prime factorization method, huh? We have to use the listing method.
I don't know. Factors आपने पढ़े हैं किसी भी मेथड से यहाँ पे तो नहीं लिखा हुआ कि which method you need to use. Write the factors and write the prime HCF.
But ma'am, यहाँ पे लिखा है by listing all the factors.
Listing means लिखना. सारे factors को लिखना. Listing का मतलब क्या होता है? List of the factors.
Yes, okay. Button.
Those who have not submitted till now, please submit it fast. Only 2 minutes are left.
Ma'am, you received mine.
Yes, received.
Dhyan Dalal.
Received, yes. Those who will stay in the class till last, I will only mark their attendance. You all know this now from many days. And please start following it. I will only mark their attendance who will be in my class till last.
Renu ma'am,
Until
did
I
you
will
got?
not say bye.
Did you got mine?
Yes, there
Ma'am,
I
have
received.
you received mine?
Yes.
Yes, received. There I received. Ayush Singhania, let me check. I received. Now I'm going to call your names. I received Migdats, Anushka, Nishika, Karnav, Aryaman, Ridhan, Rudra Jajaria, Jahan Agarwal, Gunav, Samriddhi, Kevna, Rudra Master, Khush Ahuja, Dhyan Chile, Dhyan Dalal, Rahil, Priya, Dhairya, Ayush. So these are the students whose Google form I received. They can leave the class. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice
Ma'am, did you receive mine?
Bye, ma'am.
Aryaman, you stay. I want to talk.
Ma'am, did you receive mine?
Bye.
Yes, Rudra, I received.
Okay.